Hi Allure, I'm Peyton List, and this is my 10-minute beauty routine. One of my favorite things, Pawpaw ointment. It is Australian, I think. Yes, it's Australian, and a lot of makeup artists that I've met have used it. It's super clean. Like, my lips get so dry and peely, and everything just like makes them chapped. So I love this. I just like put it on before, and then I'll go in with my Fenty Beauty lip scrub, Pro Kissed, and looks like that. And I'll just go in and I'll make sure to get like, my lips are so dry all the time, especially in the California climate. I'll just really get in there and rub all the peely off. Yeah, so then I'll take like one of my reusable pads. I just throw these in the laundry. Like, you can tell it's seen better days, but I'll go in and wipe anything, all the residue. So now for the fun stuff. For foundation, I love Shiseido. This is my favorite foundation, the Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing foundation. It's oil-free. Oh, I didn't even realize it has SPF 30 in it. That's awesome. I mix it because like I'm a little bit tanner right now. I know, shocker. With this Nars, I guess it's a Laguna liquid bronzer. I'll just like mix the two up. The Shiseido with like my acne scars, I want to be able to cover it up but still let my skin breathe and not feel like I'm wearing the most cakey foundation. And I feel like that is the most like lightweight, beautiful foundation. I feel like patting in my foundation has just been so much more gentle on my skin. I would find that I just have such sensitive skin and like my face would just be red and raw and kind of like just burning or peeling when I would put my face products on at the end of the night. And I thought, I was just trying to get down to the root of the problem because I'm like, my skin should not be burning like this at the end of the day. And I think it's just with the constant applying of makeup on set and then removing it and, you know, the changes that we have for, you know, we'll have like a dress up scene and then the next scene will be no makeup or whatever it is. And I also like to go in like a little bit of my foundation underneath my eyes, just like a really light layer before concealer and everything. And I'll put some like on top of my eyes a little bit too. And I don't really use like an eyeshadow primer. I'll just use a little bit of the lightweight foundation on top. Okay, so next I'm going in for the brows. I just use this brow tool. Next, I'm going to go in with my blush. Actually, it is my blush, but also my brand's blush, Pley. But this color is called Desert Dusk. And all of them are just kind of like California inspired and very pink, very pigmented. Yeah, I called it Pley because it's just like, I believe beauty is just playing and like having fun with color. For the eyes, I'm going to go in with this Modern Muse palette. So first I'm gonna go in with my white color in the crease. I like to just like open up the eyes and brighten. I feel like it makes me look like I got more sleep than I did. So I'm gonna go in with this one in sort of the middle of my eye and work it into the crease. When I'm working in the crease, like I love that sort of cat eye, smoked out eye. I feel like it lifts and enhances and just like has such like a sexy effect on the eye. But I normally cannot get that on my own. So I like to go in after and just do my concealer after and kind of help that. It's nice though, because I feel like concealer has saved so many of my eye makeup looks. My next one that I'm gonna kind of work on the edge of the eye is Shimmery Champagne color from Modern Muse. What I love is like, it's pretty subtle and light, and it's one of those colors that when the sun hits your eye, when you turn, it just like does its thing beautifully. This deep purple is one of my favorites. It feels so fall, like I just want to throw on some like thigh-high boots with it and a scarf. Also, yes, I'm using the same brush for every color. I always do that. I don't really switch it up. Like, I know certain brushes are for particular things, but I just keep the same one. And then that's why I just like start with the lighter colors and then finish a color, move on, finish a color, move on. Now I'm gonna go in my concealer. I actually learned this. I was just doing a movie and the makeup artist Leon, who did my makeup every day, he taught me this. I'll just go in the corner and then I'll just go up like in the line of my eyeshadow. Wow, that's an interesting application. Okay. Yeah, I'll just go up and sort of follow the line. And then I'll take my concealer brush, go in and blend it out. And going in there, like, it just looks so much sharper. This is one of my favorite products from the Pley line. It's called the Pley Date, and it's sort of an all-over glow stick. But what I love is like, this allows for mess ups, and I can just kind of go in, and I'm gonna go in with the Pley Pink, but I can go in and just like use it on the brow bone for a little pop and go in with my finger after for like a little highlight. And then I'll go in a little bit on like the tip of my nose because I think it's so cute when girls do that. And on my little cupid's bow, is that what it is? On my lip, blend it out, and like a little bit on the inner corner too. But then I also use it as a highlight. I'll just go in, kind of like, I'll tip my face and think of like where the sun would kind of kiss this spot, and I'll go up and then sort of blend it out. Sometimes I like to go with a really dark brown lip liner around for more of that like 90s supermodel lip that I love so much. But I think I might go for more of this this pink color. It's Too Faced. What's the color? Housewife Pink lip liner. That's funny. I love Jared's names. My favorite part to line is really like the little bow here. I just feel like it gives that really cute lip shape. And after, this is one of my favorite lip glosses. It's the Sicily, Sparkly Sicily lip gloss. I just love the shimmer on it. Mascara. I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I love to just focus on the corner because I just love like that lifting eye effect. So I just like really try to go like up and out on the edge. I'll dip it in again before doing the other eye. Again, I just start on that edge. Something I saw at a coffee shop recently is like this girl with two little gems in the corner of her eye. I just thought it was the cutest thing, especially like with her little mask on with her gems right here. So I got some, she inspired me, some pearls. Just like dab a little bit of glue on. It says it's gem adhesive, but I would use lash glue or really any kind of like safe face glue. Let's see, okay. Just like dab it right there. And then position it and my last step, actually, no, sorry, I lied, I have 3 more steps. I like to powder my chin area and my T-zone because I get very glowy there. Yeah, this is my little Makeup Forever powder. I'm going a little bit under my eyes. This super goop glow stick sunscreen has SPF 50 in it, and you can see that this has been very loved. I like to just like apply it up here on my collarbones and like kind of like wherever, because I like when the sun hits it and it's glowy. I like apply a little bit on my chest too, and really just like anywhere that I want like an extra little glow. If I'm wearing no makeup, I'll put it on my cheeks. I find that this is one of the best makeup setting spray mists, and it has protection in it, but it keeps it locked. Okay. Thank you, Allure. I'm Peyton List, and that was my 10-minute beauty routine, and also the first time ever using Pley products in a video.